In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage your very own blog using hPanel. Whether you're looking to share your thoughts, showcase your expertise, or just keep a digital diary, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a fully functional blog up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your hPanel account and navigate to the Websites section. Here, you'll be able to spot the option to edit your website, which will open up the Builder Editor. Once inside the Builder Editor, pay attention to the left sidebar. There's where you'll find the Blog Management section. If you haven't started a blog yet, don't worry. It's super simple. Just click Start a Blog. This handy feature will add a blog section to your website, complete with sample posts to get your creative juices flowing. Now that you've got the groundwork laid, it's time to create a new blog post. With the blog panel open on the left side, go ahead and click Add New Post. This will take you to the blog editor interface, which is your canvas for creativity. Start by setting your header. This typically involves filling in the title, a description that teases what's to come, the author's name, the date, and an automatically calculated reading time, giving your readers a sense of the investment they'll be making. In the body section, you can really let your imagination run wild. Mix and match text with images, throw in a video, or get creative with other elements available in the page editor. Once you're satisfied with your draft, remember to click Save. The system will auto-save your work, which is a lifesaver. When you're ready, click Back to return to your post list, where you'll see all your drafts and published pieces. Moving on, let's talk customization. You'll notice an ellipsis or 3 little dots beside your draft. Click that and head into the settings. Here, you have several tabs to explore. Under General, you can tweak the title, refine the description, adjust the URL slug, attribute the author, or even schedule the post for future publication. The Featured Image tab lets you upload or select a striking cover image to attract more eyes. And don't forget Categories, where you can assign your post to one or more relevant topics, keeping everything organized. To make sure your blog finds a home on your site, check out your web page and click Add section between the existing ones. Choose Blog and voila! A new blog section will manifest, displaying all your published posts. If you want to get fancy, use the section settings to filter posts by category, or even place different blog sections across various pages for showcasing diverse content categories. Finally, when you're happy with everything, hit Update Website in the top right corner to publish your work. Your new blog post will now be live, nestled perfectly in your blog section and accessible to all your eager readers. Congratulations! You've just added a blog to your site.